Brad Williams, Frugal Finance. Inputs for the Black-Scholes model. We have seen that the Black-Scholes model for the price on options depends on 5 variables: the stock price, the exercise price, the time until expiration, the risk-free rate, and the standard deviation of the stock. Of these, the stock price is observable in the financial press and online. The exercise price and the time till expiration can be known with some certainty. We want to consider how to obtain the 2 parameters, the risk-free interest rate and the standard deviation of the stock. Estimation of the risk-free interest rate are generally available and are typically quite reliable. There are still a few points to consider, however. First, we need to select the correct rate. Since the Black-Scholes model uses a risk-free rate, we can use the Treasury bill rate as a reliable estimate. Quoted interest rates for T-bills are expressed as discount rates. We need to convert these to regular interest rates and express them as continuously compounded rates. As a second consideration, we should select the maturity of the T-bill carefully. Provided the yield curve has a steep slope, yields for different maturities can differ radically. With T-bills maturing each week, we choose the bill that matures closest to the option's expiration. We illustrate the computation with the following example. Let's look at a T-bill with 84 days till maturity. Its bid yield is 8.83% and its asking yield is 8.77%. Allowing the bid and ask to be the bid and ask yields, the following formula gives the price of a T-bill as a percentage of its face value. PTB equals 1 minus 0.01 times bid plus ask divided by 2. Days until maturity divided by 360. So 1 minus 0.01 times 8.83 plus 8.77 divided by 2, 84,360 equals 0.97947. Note that we're not using hard-code percentages. We're just using 8.83%. Usually it'd be 0.0883. Here we're just using just normal calculations. In this formula, we average the bid and ask yield to estimate the unobservable true yield lies between the observable bid and ask yield. For our example, the price of the T-bill is 97.947% of the face value. To find the corresponding compounded rate, we solve the following equation for R. Here is the equation for this 9747. Now, in terms of the corresponding compound rate, we're going to use, and we've done this repeatedly, EXP, R, T minus T, is equal to 1 divided by PTB. T of T would be the 84,360. Then we're going to plug this in. So EXP, R, and then we have this 0.23 equals 1 divided by 0.9746 equals 0.23R equals log normal 1.02096 equals 0.207. Here's the formula, 84,360, the 10296, 1 divided by 0.9747, then our R is going to be 9.02%. In the equation, T minus T equals 0.23 because 84 days is 23% of the year. Thus, the appropriate interest rate in this example is 9.02%. It's fairly easy to secure good estimates of the risk-free interest rate. However, it is not critical to have an exact estimate as option prices are not very sensitive to the interest rate. Brad Williams, Frugal Finance. Thanks for watching.